Hair analysis and health. Your hair can let you know whether you are stressed, have a thyroid problem, nutritional deficiency, or other health or mental health issues. Perhaps you're enjoying a nice blowout, or maybe wondering whether to try out the new style that is trending. However, you may be missing clues your hair is revealing about your health. Research shows that changes in your hair texture or thickness can be signs of underlying health conditions. While a lot of your body hair is not noticeable, it's working to protect you. Your eyelashes and eyebrows keep things out of your eyes. Hair on your legs and armpits can keep your skin from chafing. The health of your hair is often associated with the health of the body. In this video, I will explain whether your hair changes are due to a health problem, genetics, nutritional deficiency, or stress. Stress can cause hair to get gray. A good example is watching people in high-stress jobs from year to year. Stress seems to make hair turn gray. Stress can also cause your hair to fall out. One study suggests that chronic stress may indeed contribute to graying hair by causing DNA damage and reducing the supply of pigment-producing cells in the follicles. Oxidative stress may also play a role in gray hair. Oxidative stress is when cell-damaging free radicals inhibit the body's repair processes, which may affect pigment-producing cells. Getting gray is a natural part of aging, so no need for alarm. As your hair follicles produce less color as you get older, your genes also play a role in when your hair turns gray. Cushing's disease may be a cause of brittle hair. Cushing's disease is a rare condition caused by too much cortisol, the body's primary stress hormone. High blood pressure, fatigue, and back pain may be some other symptoms of Cushing's disease. Treatment for Cushing's disease may include a change in the medication dosage that could be causing the condition, such as glucocorticoids, which are steroids used to treat inflammation caused by a variety of illnesses. Some people may need surgery, chemotherapy, or radiation therapy to correct the adrenal glands' overproduction of cortisol. Thyroid disease could be the cause of thinning hair. Hypothyroidism is a condition that occurs when the thyroid gland does not produce enough thyroid hormones. You may notice increased hair shedding and a change in hair appearance. Although most cases are mild, it can cause thinning hair and other symptoms, such as tiredness, muscle pain, joint pain, and cold intolerance and weight gain. A thyroid stimulating test can diagnose the condition, and treatment involves taking thyroid medication. Certain thyroid disorders put you at risk for an autoimmune hair loss condition called alopecia areata. It happens when the immune system attacks the hair follicles. Anemia could be a sign of hair shedding. If you notice lots of hair in the brush when you brush your hair, this could be a sign that your body has low iron or anemia. In the past, I have experienced mild hair loss due to low iron. When my iron levels increased after taking vitamins, my hair became much thicker. Iron is critical for many biological and chemical reactions, including hair growth. Mental health condition. Sometimes hair loss can be related to mental health. Researchers have found that trichotillomania, a hair-pulling disorder, in which someone has recurring urges to pull out their hair. A behaviorist or mental health professional can help you work through these types of issues, and your hair will usually come back. Surprisingly, hair that looks greasy or unmanaged is not necessarily a symptom of poor health. What people consider healthy-looking hair is more about social norms. Your hairdresser or barber can help to detect issues with your hair and scalp. They can tell if using high heat or pulling your hair back tightly is causing hair loss or other problems. The most common scalp condition is dandruff, in which small bits of your skin flake off, sometimes on your shoulders. Dandruff can be itchy and annoying and get worse in dry winter months, but it is usually treatable with special over-the-counter shampoos. Scalp irritation could mean you are allergic to something in a hair product. Your scalp could also be inflamed by psoriasis or an infection. Talk to your doctor if it does not get better. Feel good about your hair. If you have beautiful hair, express yourself. That boost of self-esteem can have a positive impact on your mental health and well-being, and impact others as well.